In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can find more car designs and liveries here in Forza Horizon 6. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But first things first, you do need to make your way over to any garage, estate, or even the festival site, and you need to go specifically into the car section right here and go into your designs and paints. So go ahead and open up designs and paints, hit OK. It's going to take you to a page that then looks something like this. Go ahead and select find new designs, and this is going to show you all of the different liveries made by other players for your car. If you reach the end of the list, what you could do is actually use the tab up at the very top to go to other different versions of these liveries. These are essentially different filters or whatnot, but you can also go ahead and search and specifically look for make, model, keywords if you want, creators, descriptions, share codes if you're still looking for something. Keep in mind that you can search for designs made for different cars, but they may not fit your current car perfectly. But whenever you find a design that you like, simply select it and then apply it to your car. And as you can see, we have it on here now. That's the full process, just like so. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out, and it lets us know that you want more content. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.